Wuhan is the capital of Hubei province in the People's Republic of China. It is the largest city in Hubei and the most populous city in central China. With a population of over 11 million. The ninth most populous Chinese city and one of the 9 national central cities of China. The name, Wuhan, came from the city's historical origin from the conglomeration of Wuchang, Hankou and Hanyang, which are collectively known as the 3 towns of Wuhan. Wuhan lies in the eastern Jianghan Plain, at the confluence of the Yangtze River and its largest tributary, the Ha River, and is known as 9 Provinces Thoroughfare. Wuhan is considered by some to be one of the potential sites of the pivotal Battle of the Red Cliffs, a battle that stopped warlord Cao Cao's incursion into southern China at the end of the Eastern Ha Dynasty. Other historical events taking place in Wuhan include the Wuchang Uprising of 1911, which led to the downfall of the Qing dynasty and the establishment of the Republic of China. Wuhan was briefly the capital of China in 1927 under the left wing of the Kuomintang government led by Wang Jingwei. The city later served as the wartime capital of China for 10 months in 1937 during the Second Sino-Japanese War. Wuhan is considered the political, economic, financial, commercial, cultural and educational center of central China. It is a major transportation hub, with dozens of railways, roads and expressways passing through the city and connecting to other major cities. Because of its key role in domestic transportation, Wuhan is sometimes referred to as the Chicago of China by foreign sources. The Golden Waterway of the Yangtze River and the Ha River traverse the urban area and divide Wuhan into the 3 districts of Wuchang, Hankou and Hanyang. The Wuhan Yangtze River Bridge crosses the Yangtze in the city. The Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest power station in terms of installed capacity, is located nearby. Historically, Wuhan has suffered risks of flooding, prompting the government to alleviate the situation by introducing ecologically friendly absorption mechanisms. While Wuhan has been a traditional manufacturing hub for decades, it is also one of the areas promoting modern industrial changes in China. Wuhan consists of 3 national development zones, 4 scientific and technological development parks, over 350 research institutes, 1,656 high-tech enterprises, numerous enterprise incubators and investments from 230 Fortune Global 500 firms. It produced GDP of $224 billion United States dollars in 2018. The Dongfeng Motor Corporation, an automobile manufacturer, is headquartered in Wuhan. The city is home to multiple notable institutes of higher education, including Wuhan University and the Huazhong University of Science and Technology. Wuhan is also one of the major cities in the world by scientific research outputs, and it ranks 13th globally and 4th in China. In 2017, Wuhan was designated as a creative city by UNESCO. In the field of design, Wuhan is classified as a beta city together with 7 other cities in China, including Changsha, Dalian, Jinan, Shenyang, Xiamen, Xi'an and Zhengzhou by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. In December 2019, SARS-CoV-2, a novel coronavirus that caused the COVID-19 pandemic, was first discovered in Wuhan, and the city was the location of the first lockdown of the pandemic in January 2020. The name, Wuhan, comes from the 2 major cities on the banks of the Yangtze River that make up the Wuhan metropolis. Wu refers to the city of Wuchang, which lies on the southern bank of the Yangtze, while Ha refers to the city of Hankou, which lies on the northern bank of the Yangtze. In 1926, the Northern Expedition reached the Wuhan area and it was decided to merge Hankou, Wuchang and Hanyang into one city in order to make a new capital for nationalist China. On January 1, 1927, the resulting city was proclaimed as Wuhan, which was later simplified as Wuhan. The Wuhan area has been settled for 3,500 years. Panlongcheng, an archaeological site primarily associated with the early Gang culture, is located in modern-day Hangpi district of Wuhan, during the Western Zhou, the state of A, which gives its name to the single-character abbreviation for Hubei province. controlled the present-day Wuchang area south of the Yangtze River. After the conquest of the A state in 863 BC, the present-day Wuhan area was controlled by the state of Chu for the rest of the Western Zhou and Eastern Zhou periods. After the state of Huang was conquered by state of Chu in the summer of 648 BC, the people of Huang were moved into the area in and around present-day Wuhan. Local geographical terms including the name of Wuhan's Hangpi district were named after the state of Huang. Chu was in turn conquered by Qin in 223 BC. During the Ha dynasty, Hanyang became a fairly busy port. The Battle of Sikao in AD 203 and Battle of Jiangsha 5 years later were fought in the region.